At Global Manufacturing Services, we're more than just a contract manufacturer. We're a family-owned company rooted in precision, integrity, and enduring relationships. With over 30 years of experience in West Jefferson, North Carolina, our small but dedicated team delivers exceptional manufacturing solutions across diverse industries. From surface mount and through-hole PCB assembly to conformal coating and full box build systems, we combine hands-on expertise with state-of-the-art technology to consistently meet the highest industry standards. Every project, whether a single prototype or a full production run, is handled with the same attention to detail we'd expect for our own products. We offer scalable capabilities, responsive, personalized service, and deep technical knowledge, helping you bring your designs to life efficiently and reliably with the added pride of American-made craftsmanship. Global Manufacturing Services, where precision meets reliability.